Hey everyone, today we're comparing GoHighLevel, Webflow, and Wix to find the best tool for building simple clients' websites. Let's break it down, then see how they stack up. First, GoHighLevel. It's an all-in-one platform built for businesses like agencies. It's great for creating landing pages and sales funnels with a drag-and-drop builder. It also has tools for email marketing, appointment scheduling, and managing clients. But it's more focused on marketing than advanced website design, and the website builder can feel basic. Next, Webflow. This is a favorite for designers who want control. You can build custom, professional websites without coding. It has a visual editor for creating unique layouts and animations, but it has a steeper learning curve, so it's not the easiest for beginners, and it's the pricier for hosting. Finally, Wix. Wix is super user-friendly, perfect for quick websites. It offers hundreds of templates and a drag-and-drop editor that anyone can use. It's great for small businesses or portfolios and has built-in e-commerce tools. However, customization is limited compared to Webflow, and sites can feel a bit cookie-cutter. Now let's compare. For ease of use, Wix wins. Its simple interface gets sites up fast, ideal for clients who want something quick and don't need fancy designs. GoHighLevel is best for agencies needing marketing tools like funnels and automation, but its website builder isn't as strong for polished sites. Webflow shines for custom, high-end designs, but is overkill for basic sites and takes time to learn. So which is best? For simple client sites, Wix is usually the top pick. Easy, affordable, and fast. If you need marketing features, go with GoHighLevel. For unique designer level sites and you're okay with the learning curve, choose Webflow. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.